Hey, good morning, factory fam. Welcome back. Last night my battery died. I didn't realize I actually had another battery right in my pocket until I got all the way home. So this is bumper day 9. I think yesterday was day 8. This is bumper day 9. We're gonna roll right into the next episode. I might combine the two. If not, this was a brief intermission. It is morning here in Bellingham, Washington, and it's beautiful. So no good deed goes unpunished, and both of Zach's heaters went out in his paint booth. So I got the kids loaded up in the Flex. We're about to go pick up Zach, and then we gotta take a little road trip and go get some new heaters. So let's go. Alright guys, we just got to Zack's. Oh, what's up, dog? What's up, buddy?
Yep. Hey.
How you feeling this morning?
Oh man, pretty good.
It's cold out.
Pretty good, but it is so cold.
It's not too bad. It's really windy out here though, man.
Big tree off the road.
Oh, seriously?
Right up here.
That's crazy, bro.
I was looking at the car in front of us a couple hundred yards, and I see him and just boom, all these branches. What the hell was that? He drove right through this tree.
Oh, dude. You can see the snow on my back wheel, bro. We got like sideways on the road, like from the house. I literally just caught like a tiny bit of like snow on the side, on the shoulder, and just, I mean, spun out completely, but the kids were like, oh my gosh. I was like, yeah. Good thing your daddy was a rally driver in another life. Well, you ready to hit it?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Head out of here.
All right. Bye, doggies. All right, y'all. We're here picking up Zach. Oh, it's so windy. I hope the windsock is doing its job. Yeah, we're gonna head out and go grab these heaters. I think Zach's power is out right now too. So we're gonna hope that power is restored by the time we get back here. Then we can go ahead and hook these heaters up and get on with our day. All right, peace. What's up, y'all? It's freaking cold out here, but heaters have been acquired. So now back to the shop. We'll see if we can wire these up. We'll see if power is still there. If we don't have power, we're gonna wire these so we're ready to go when there is power. Oh, the wind and weather is freaking crazy out here. Look at this place. It's nuts. Good thing I'm a beast. All right, see you back at the shop. What's up, guys? Just got back to Zach's place and walked into the shop and lights on. We got power. So we're super psyched on that. So I think the plan as of right now is we got the new heaters over here. Right here. We already got the old heaters out. So I think the plan for us is we're gonna go ahead and wire these up, kind of get heat moving back, and then we will get into the bumper. And as you guys can see, Zach sprayed a little primer on them so we can kind of see where our end body lines are gonna be and how everything's looking. But man, how cool does that look, you guys? So yeah, stay tuned. Watch us do some wiring, keep you updated. We'll be back soon. Come on guys, moment of truth. We're testing out the heaters. Oh, it's spinning, it's spinning. See it in there? Air's coming out. Oh yeah. Probably take a minute to warm up, right there?
Yeah, slowly getting warm.
Oh yeah. It's actually, Android for the win, bro, Verizon. What do you think, bro?
We have heat.
Yeah, what's up? We got heat.
Damn, that blows.
Look at that. You guys come here for the car content. You get a little DIY electrical. Like, man, what's up, dude? Holler at your boy. Factory fiction, we be doing it all, man. It doesn't matter. Oftentimes people ask me, Mike, what do you do? And I say, a better way to answer that question is, bro, what don't I do? Because I do whatever needs to be done. And that's what's up. Right, Zach?
Right.
Right. As he's laughing at me, thinks I'm being a clown. But hey, man, it ain't wrong. Tell me I'm wrong, dog. As he still laughs at me, man. This friggin' guy over here, bro. Alright guys, so we got the heat all installed. We're back onto the bumper now. Zach had laid some primer on this bad boy, what, yesterday?
Yeah,
Last night. Did a little more filler around our exhaust outlets. And then in the diffuser meetup. So basically what we're doing now is we're sanding down those spots. And then what are we gonna do, brother?
We're gonna sand them down so we have a good adhesion for the rest of our filler, and we're gonna start doing the little bodywork areas, like this transition right here on the lip to the flex bumper. We're gonna try to smooth that out, get some filler in there. Same on this side, it's a little low in a couple areas. So like right here over the top of the exhaust tip, there's a little bit of a dent, and then right here there's another one. We're gonna try to clean up those tiny little areas and then give the whole bumper a good scratch, a good sand down, and it's going to be good for filler primer, and that's when we're going to start noticing all of our little dips and stuff, and yeah, get it all built up, ready to go.
Heck yeah. All right guys, you just heard Zach run the downhill coast with the bumper, but as usual, most video it's me and Zack sanding. So that's pretty much where we'll be at today. Give you a little bit of an update in a little bit, but until then, enjoy this sanding footage. Hey, what's up, guys? So we have been sanding, obviously. We think we got it where we're at, where we want it, before we start doing building primer.
Yeah, we're gonna do a high build building primer over the whole thing. That's gonna fill in a lot of our deep scratches, a lot of our little dips and stuff like that. And then we can go for blocking from there, which we will do right before paint after it gets back.
Sick. So we had 4 little holes still in the bumper and the bottom valence from when we originally mocked it up. So Zack just did some quick little fiberglass patches over those holes. Just there and there. And then you can take over them on this side, and then we'll just fill them and stuff them, and then prime it.
Yeah, I'll shoot some prime a little bit later when I get the bay all nice and cleaned out so we don't have any shit blowing around, and then we'll be good to go.
Sick! Alright guys, that's where we're at for right this second. Any updates, I'll hit you back and let you know what we're doing. Alright guys, so quick update. The glass is all good from the back side, so now here's a little hole we're going to fill in. Zack's actually mixing up some icing right now. Right there. Woo! We're going to fill them in. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Shouldn't be a big deal at all. Probably, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, right? And then we'll sand them down and we'll be ready for round 1 of primer. I've scuffed up all the original bumper. And so yeah, hopefully before the end of this episode, we will be showing you 1 solid color bumper. And you won't be able to tell what we spliced in anymore. Stay tuned. I'm psyched. Hey guys, I'm not really sure what happened in the outro of this video, but this is where we're gonna leave the video for the day. As you can see, the bumper is really coming together, and there's only 1 bumper episode left. So if you're dying to see what that end product is gonna be, tune in next Friday for the final reveal of the FFRS rear bumper. As always, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, share with your people, man. Keep positivity in the car community, because here at Factory Fiction, we are a modified culture. We need more humble car people, please. See y'all on the next one. Peace.